Hello students, now I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 10.3. Now question number 1 says find the areas of the rectangle whose sides are, in the first part we have 3 cm and 4 cm. Now this is a rectangle, and in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay, so this is called length and this is the breadth. So here 4 cm is bigger than 3 cm. So length is 4 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Okay, we will have to find the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, now length is 4 cm and breadth is 3 cm. So 4 into 3 is 12 cm, and when you will multiply the unit, it will become centimeter square. Okay, or you can write 12 square centimeter. Okay, now in the B part we have 12 meter and 21 meter. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So here 21 is length and 12 is breadth. So 21 meter into 12 meter. Now we will multiply this. 12 ones are 12, 2, 1 carry, 12 twos are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. So it's 252. Now meter into meter is meter square. Okay. Now coming to C part. In the C part we have 2 km and 3 km. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So here 3 km is the length and 2 km is the breadth. So 3 km into 2 km. So 3 into 2 is 6, kilometer into kilometer is kilometer square. Okay, now coming to D part. Now in the D part we have 2 meter and 70 centimeter, and we will have to find the area of the rectangle. So here we can see that we have been given two different units. So we will have to make the units same. Then only we can find the area. Now here length is 2 meter, because 2 meter is more than centimeter, meter is more than centimeter. So 2 meter will be considered as length, and breadth is 70 centimeter. Now we know that 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 by 100 meter, and 70 centimeter will be 70 by 100 meter. Okay. So if you convert from centimeter to meter, we need to divide by 100. Now as there is two places, so 1, 2. Here we will have to put the decimal, so it will be 0.70 meter. Now we will find the area of rectangle, which is length into breadth. Now length is 2 meter and breadth is 0.70 meter. Now we will multiply this 2. So 0.70 will be multiplied by 2. So 2 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14, 4, 1 carry. Now 1 will come down. So after 2 place decimal is there, so we will have to put the decimal after 2 places. So it's 1.40. Now meter multiplied by meter is meter square. So area of the rectangle will be 1.40 meter square. Okay. Now coming to question number 2. Now question number 2 says find the areas of the square whose sides are, in the first part we have 10 centimeter. Now this is a square, and we know that all sides are equal in a square. So side is given 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. These all are 10 centimeter. So how will you find the area of the square? So area of the square is side into side. Area of the square we can find by multiplying the sides. Okay. So here we will write 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter, because here all sides are same. All sides are of same length. So we'll write the same unit. Okay. Now 10 into 10, 100 centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. Okay. Now coming to B part. The B part we have 14 centimeter and we will have to find the area of the square, which is side into side. So 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. So 14 into 14, 4 4s are 16, 6 1 carry, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1. So 6, 5 plus 4 9 and 1. So it's 196, and if you multiply the unit it will become square centimeter. So area of the square of side 14 centimeter will be 196 centimeter square. Now in the C part we will have to find the area of the square whose side is 5 meter. Okay, so area of the square is side into side. So 5 meter multiplied by 5 meter. So 5 5s are 25 and meter into meter is meter square. Okay, so always we will have to write the unit, and since we are multiplying the unit also, we will have to write the square unit. Okay, now coming to question number 3. Now question number 3 says the length and breadth of 3 rectangles are as given below. In the first part we have 9 meter and 6 meter. In the B part we have 17 meter and 3 meter. And in C part we have 4 meter and 14 meter. Which one has the largest area? We will have to find then among this which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area. Now to find which one has the largest or smallest, we need to find the area of a rectangle, of this rectangle. So this is the rectangle. Now length is this, and here opposite sides are equal, so these two are length and these two are breadth. Okay, so here 9 meter, in the first part we have 9 meter as length and 6 meter as breadth. So we will have to find the area of the rectangle, which is length into breadth. Now length is 9 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So we will multiply the number at first. So 9 6 are 54, and meter into meter, meter square. Okay, now in the B part we have 17 meter and 3 meter. So 17 meter is the length and 3 meter is the breadth. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So length is 17 meter and breadth is 3 meter. So 17 3s are 51, and meter into meter, meter square. Okay, now we have to find the area of the C part, in which 4 meter and 14 meter is given. So here 14 meter is the length and 4 meter is the breadth. So we'll write area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So here length is 14 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Now 14 4s are 56, and meter into meter, meter square. So we have got the area of the 3 triangles. Now we will have to compare this, that which one has the largest area and smallest area, because we have to find which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest. So here in the A part we have got 54, in the B part we have got 51, and in the C part we have got 56. So among this 56 is largest. So we will write C has the largest area, and 51, this is the smallest among this, so we'll write, and B has the smallest area. Okay. Now coming to question number 4. Now question number 4 says the area of a rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meter. So suppose this is a rectangular garden of length. Here length is given 50 meter. Okay, and the area is 300 square meter. This is the area. We will have to find the width of the garden. Width means this, which is known as breadth. Okay, so we will have to find the breadth. So what will be the formula for finding breadth if area is given? So we know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So if we find the breadth, then the formula will be area divided by length, because here we are finding the value of the breadth. So we will just remove L from there, and since it is given in multiplication form, so after changing side it will be division. Okay, so area will be divided by length to get the breadth. Okay, similarly if you have suppose if in a question suppose breadth is given, okay, you know breadth and you will have to find the length. So formula for finding length will be area by length. Okay, so we'll write area of the rectangular garden is 300 square meter, and length of the rectangular garden is 50 meter. So the breadth of the rectangular garden will be area of the rectangle divided by length. Okay, area of the rectangle divided by length of the rectangle. So area is given 300 square meter, means meter square, and length is given 50 meter. Okay, now we will divide these two to get the breadth. So 0 0 will be cancelled, 5 6 are 30. Okay, and here is 1 meter and here is 1 meter. So 1 meter will be cancelled. So only 1 meter will be left. Okay, so 6 meter will be the breadth of the rectangular garden. So what we have learned, if area of the rectangular garden, if area of rectangle is given, then if you have to find the breadth, then area should be divided by length to get the breadth. And if breadth is given and you will have to find the length, then area should be divided by breadth. Here will be breadth. Okay, so this way we will have to find the side of rectangle if area is given. Thank you, students.